Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really fun look I'm very excited for, and I hope it turns out well. But I'm going to be doing a dark elf princess. Never done anything like it. I'm going to show you the inspiration right here for what I'm going for. And yeah, I really hope it turns out good. So, I have the outfit on right now, but when it's completely done, the hair and the makeup and everything is completely done, I'll show you it with the outfit, and yeah. So I'm gonna get to it. We're gonna start out with the hair. Step 1. Curl the copious amounts of hair, and soon after, regret my life choices.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Two hours later.
Bit of dry shampoo. So then I've also got this wavy texturizing hairspray that I'm just gonna throw in my hair as well and kind of try and tussle it up. Fun fact, I'm really bad at doing braids, so please do not judge my technique. By the way, guys, a lot of these cosplays I do on stream, Twitch. So if you ever want to swing by, feel free. We'd love to have you. Some setting spray, I'm going to put that on right now. I'm going to put it on again after the makeup's all done. Hurry up and dry! I have time to wait! Holy. This was very much a trust the process type of makeup because I swear I was regretting my decisions so much during this. Oh gosh! I think we went in way too strong with the black makeup. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. You know the saying, beauty is pain? Well, cosplay is also pain. If you've ever attempted to wear elf ears with a headset and a headpiece, you know what I mean. Alright, and that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I was a little bit hesitant at the beginning when I was starting to do it. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gonna turn out terrible. But I actually love how it turned out. I hope you guys did too. I gotta go. I'm about to stream with my friend, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.